Elevated concrete deck. Elevated concrete deck. Here's a new concept. This home has daylight windows. So in order to do an elevated concrete deck, we are using an engineered plan where you have larger footings, heavy treated lumber, oversized beams and joists, so that we can do the elevated concrete deck in brick pavers for the beauty, elegance, and maintenance-free lifestyle that brick pavers bring. For an elevated concrete deck done right, done to code, engineered to last and stand the test of time, in Shelby Township, Washington Township, Oakland Township, and Macomb Township, give us a call.